In today's video, we're going to talk about a new website that can make you up to 1,000 and it can be paid through PayPal. So let's get to the video right after this. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. You're most welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're a new subscriber or you're a returner subscriber, you are most welcome. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so that we grow the channel together. So in today's video, like I said, I have a new website that can make you up to 1,000. You can earn up to 1,000 just by copying affiliate links and then promote in your social media or wherever you want, and then you make a lot of money. But I'm going to make it simple to you how to get the traffic here, how to make that 1,000. So as you can see on my screen here, the website is already here showing here. It's called spyfu.com. So this is the website, spyfu.com. So all we want to do is sign up. You have to sign up because you're new. You have to sign up. After signing up, you go to affiliate link and then sign up over there. Also get the link and then look for traffic. That's all. So I'm going to simplify for you everything now. So if you have come to this website already, you're already on this website, what you have to do next is you have to scroll down. You have to scroll up to the bottom. You scroll to the bottom. Okay, so here you can see down here at the bottom, you can see here affiliates. So you have to click this. Yeah, so we are here already on the affiliate program. So as you can see here, you can read from here. You start earning every month. You can earn every month, and you can earn twice a month. That is the good thing I like with this website. Yeah, so you can see here when you scroll down, you see here first step, you have to sign up. After signing up, use the simple links and then give to your look for traffic and earn your money. As simple as that. But I'm going to show you how to get the traffic, so it's not a big case. So before we get to that, please, if you haven't subscribed, you subscribe so that you can motivate me to make more videos on how we can make money. Okay, so let's continue. Like said here, you can read some things that are given here, like 40% in monthly recurring commissions, 365 days tracking. Like whatever link you have promoted, it can be valid for 365. That is like 1 year. It can be active. You can keep making money using that, and then you'll be paid twice a month. Like I told you earlier on, you can be paid twice a month, and you are paid through PayPal. See, so it's as simple as that. So what you have to do first is you have to sign up. Okay, when you have signed up, you get your affiliate link. So I'm going to show you the next website where you can promote your traffic, or I'm going to tell you the next step on how you can promote your link and get traffic. So let's go to our browser. Then we search for weight loss. I search for weight loss because many people they are always searching for this keyword here. Many people are searching for this. Many people are looking for solutions. Many people want to lose weight. See, so that's why I had to search for this. And you find a lot of results, and this way you get a lot of traffic. Okay, so here like this, you have to search for weight loss. You can go to the forum. Okay, this is the forum. You just have to put your link here. You write something small, put your link here, explain about that link, and then put your link here. You see how many views here for this side here. How many views? You can see how many views. All these views, you can just convert it into cash. As simple as that. Yeah, so I'm going to stop here for today. You try the method. If it worked for you, you tell me, or you put in the comment, so that others should also hear from your views, how you have really made it. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed, please try to subscribe so that you motivate us to make more videos. So thank you. See you next time.